Hello. Thanks for joining me today. Do you like gardening? There are flower gardens where you could look at these beautiful tulips. There are so many different types of gardens. There are succulent gardens, great for saving water. They hold all the water in their leaves. I grew these plants in water bottles, and I used other recyclable materials for these bigger plants. I like to use egg cartons for seed starters. I grew these California lupins in this muffin container. Wow, look how big they are now. They're growing very well, almost ready to plant them in the ground. There's even cactus gardens. There's even gardens for pollination. And maybe you can even have a vegetable garden. Here's my vegetable garden. So this was in the early stages, and then I added to it. I'm adding eggshells from breakfast. It's really good for the soil. Good way to add a little calcium in your soil. A friend gave me some okra seeds, and I planted them in this little container, and now they're ready to replant, and I'll be sure to share them with her. Container gardens are a great way to grow things when you just don't have the space. You can add them just about anywhere. So here is my garden. I grew a lot of it from seeds. This is okra. And these are watermelon seeds. So I have cucumbers, I have sweet peas, I even have a couple of potato plants. And next to the potato plants, of course, tomato plants. I even have a couple of little tomatoes growing here, and then one down there, and then I have some green onions that I'm growing, and here are some seeds. These here I planted. These are peppers. Here's some bigger ones. Serrano peppers, banana peppers, red bell peppers. Then there's my broccoli already starting to grow. Broccoli, then cauliflower. It's just perfect for me. It's not too big, and it's not too small. Whatever you decide to plant, I hope you have a great time doing it. Thank you for visiting with me. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy your garden. Look us up on social media at Inland Empire RCD.